what what's funny too is he took me to Chick-fil-A at lunch because a Chick-fil-A you could walk to from there for lunch.
Mhm.
And he said, "Here, let me buy you lunch, please." This is like on the third day or so, fourth day or so. He said, "Hey, I already talked to the president of our company. He said I can offer you a job. How much do you make? I'll pay you more. I'll move you to Georgia. Let's go." And I was like, "Hell yeah! I like
All
the way
that
this
over,
company."
over the Lord's chicken. What better day could you have?
The Lord giveth and the Lord taketh away.
I was like, "I like the way this company works. This is awesome." It was because it was complete opposite of Lafarge, where they stole your idea. Well, sorry, Lafarge, but it's the truth. Uh, what?
Nah, let it go. Let it rip, man.
Yeah.
I'm leaving that in there.
So we. So I was like, "This is awesome," and I'll never forget. Like I'd already accepted the job, and they go, "Hey, you need to come in for an interview." I'm like, "Dude, I already put in my notice." Like, what are we interviewing for? I thought we did that at Chick-fil-A. And they flew me out here to Baltimore to interview everyone. It was the weirdest thing, interviewing as a formality. But I don't think the other people knew it was a formality.
Right.
But like Bob and Dennis were like, "Sorry, this is a formality, but like, don't tell them we already hired you." I was like, "Okay." I love the way this place works. This is what I'm talking about.
I tell you what, that concept hasn't changed a bit.
No.
Listen, this is what we're gonna do. Don't tell HR.
Paul Finley went to his interview with Active Minerals with a pay stub from Active Minerals in his pocket.